Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the hair edition. So I'm going to be sharing a few tips on how you can take care of your hair, to promote growth and also to have your hair thick. And also I'm going to be reviewing the Avocado DIY deep conditioner that I started last month. So let me just share with you my natural hair journey. I've had natural hair all my life, and if I remember well, I think my hair was treated when I was like 5 years old, and up until my 7th grade my mom used to take care of my hair, and she just used to use Vaseline mainly. Guys, don't overlook Vaseline, it's a great product. I used to pay so much attention to my natural hair up until last year. That's when I even knew about my hair type and my porosity too. So like, as you can see, my hair is type 4C. Don't mind the dirt, I just unbraided it. Yeah, and I also tested my porosity. If you want to find out how you can know your hair porosity and hair type, you can check out CHANGWA LYEMPE'S video. She's explained very well on how you can know your hair porosity and your hair type. So I'm gonna put her links in my description box so that you can check out how you can know your porosity and your hair type. So let me just quickly share with you a few hair tips. So the first one is know your hair type and hair porosity. This will actually help you know what kind of products your hair needs. And then you should know that not all products are good for your hair. Not all products will work for type 4A, type 4B, or type 4C. And then the benefits of knowing your hair porosity and hair type, it will help you know how much products your hair needs. So sometimes we overdo it, sometimes we put too much product in our hair, and then sometimes we underdo it again. So if you know your hair type and porosity, it's definitely going to help you maintain your hair. So the second tip that I had for you is don't leave your hair dry. Always keep your hair moisturized. When you leave your hair dry, it cuts. It really cuts. Oh my gosh, like it breaks my heart when I'm seeing my hair cutting. But I made sure that I started moisturizing my hair all the time. So if you can see, there's like the dirt here is the products that I was putting when I braided my hair. I don't know, let me try to, yeah. So I don't know if you can see. I don't know if I can see it. I don't know if you can see. So like my hair really has enough products because I kept on moisturizing it, and it's not even breaking as much as it used to break. So the third tip I wanted to share with you is have a routine. So it can be hair wash routine or how you moisturize your hair. Your hair actually gets used to your routine and it actually adapts. So for my wash hair day, I wash my hair once in a month. So my fourth tip is do not expose your hair too much. Your hair naturally falls off, it sheds, and so if you expose it too much, you give it room for it to fall off. So do not expose your hair, especially during the cold season. Your hair dries out and it falls a lot, so don't expose your hair. My fifth tip is avoid combing your hair when it's dry. Your hair breaks a lot when it's dry. So what I do, I put a little bit of water to just make it wet, and then I start combing gently. Don't be rough on your hair. Gently you comb it when it's wet. You notice that even the hair that comes out, the hair that falls off, won't be as much as it will be when your hair is dry. So when combing your hair, avoid starting from the roots. Okay, an example, look at the way it is. My hair is a little bit tangled up, so if I'm gonna force it like up like that, my hair will be cutting. So the best way you can comb your hair is you start from the edges there. So you comb it out like that, gently. You don't have to be rough. This is your hair. You want it to grow, you don't want it to break, you want it to be thick. So just like that, gently. right now my hair is dry, that's why I'm trying to avoid to comb it, but okay. So gently, so until you reach the roots of your hair, just like that. So that's just how I do it when it's wet, and then I comb it from the edges. So my 7th tip is trim your hair. Guys, I know trimming your hair just feels like my hair will be short. Well, no, it actually helps your hair to grow. Your hair usually like tends to have like split ends towards the edges. I don't know if I have some because I trimmed it, and just look at how my hair is popping, you know, looking healthy. Yeah, so trim your hair just at the edge. You can watch some YouTube videos, or you can Google how you can trim your hair so that you don't have to feel like, oh, my hair is short. Actually, the hair that actually comes out, it's just like, you know, just, oh, look at my hair is falling. So just like you hold it somehow like this, you know, you comb it. First of all, you comb it. After you comb it, and then you just have just a bit of that, and then you, because that's where the split ends are, so you just take that out, and your hair is just going to be so good, and it will be in perfect shape. So it's now time for me to talk about the Avocado DIY deep conditioner that I just started using. I made it last month, and I tried it like twice. So this, oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. First of all, the texture, like, you should watch my video for you to understand what I'm talking about. So I used the product, and it was very good. I know my hair needed that, so I just want to share with you how my hair has grown and how long it has become. So I'll just show you how long it was then and how long it has become now, because I don't have pictures before I put the conditioner. So let me do this. So first of all, my hair looks so healthy, so thick. Wow. And so let's go till the end. Okay, so I think my hair was somewhere here, and now just look at how it has become. So I made a good decision by braiding it. I love braiding my hair. I don't like exposing it so much, so I braided it immediately after using the conditioner, and this is the outcome. And so you guys, I'm enjoying this. So guys, this is all I had for you in this video. So if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.